What if you could hit pause on aging, or even reverse it? Imagine celebrating your 100th birthday not in a rocking chair, but hiking a mountain or starting a business. Picture feeling as vibrant and energetic as you did at 30. Far-fetched? Not anymore. Scientists are uncovering the secrets of aging and discovering ways to slow, stop, and even reverse it. What if aging isn't inevitable but a choice? This isn't science fiction. It's the future we're building today. Inside your body, a silent battle is raging. Trillions of free radicals, unstable molecules, are tearing through your cells like wrecking balls, causing damage that accumulates over time. This destruction is one of the main culprits behind aging. But that's not all. Every time your cells divide, the protective caps at the ends of your DNA, called telomeres, shorten. Think of telomeres as the plastic tips of shoelaces. When they wear out, your DNA unravels, and your cells can no longer function properly. Then there are zombie cells, damaged cells that refuse to die. These cells linger in your body, leaking toxins that harm their healthy neighbors. It's like living next to a toxic factory that never shuts down. Scientists believe these zombie cells accelerate aging and contribute to diseases like Alzheimer's and arthritis. Despite these challenges, your body isn't defenseless. It has built-in repair systems, from enzymes that fix DNA to antioxidants that neutralize free radicals. The problem? These systems weren't designed to last forever. Evolution focused on getting us through our reproductive years, not on keeping us young indefinitely. But what if we could change that? Aging may seem inevitable, but nature offers exceptions that challenge this idea. Take the lobster. Instead of aging, lobsters produce an enzyme called telomerase, which keeps their DNA caps intact. This prevents their cells from wearing down. In theory, lobsters could live forever, if they didn't die from external factors like predators or disease. Then there's the immortal jellyfish. When injured or stressed, this remarkable creature reverts to an earlier stage of its life cycle, essentially pressing a biological reset button. It's like being able to rewind time. These animals prove that aging isn't a universal law of biology. If they can defy aging, why not us? Now, let's talk breakthroughs. In one groundbreaking study, scientists reprogrammed the cells of aging mice, effectively turning back their biological clocks. The results were astonishing. These mice regained their eyesight, and their organs started functioning like they were young again. This wasn't just slowing down aging, it was reversing it. Another major breakthrough targets zombie cells. Researchers have developed treatments that can identify and eliminate these toxic cells. In lab experiments, removing zombie cells extended the lifespans of mice and improved their overall health. Imagine a therapy that could clear your body of these harmful cells, leaving you stronger and more resilient. Caloric restriction is another promising area of research. Studies show that eating fewer calories can activate survival pathways in cells, reducing inflammation and repairing damage. In some animals, this has increased lifespan by up to 40%. Could a simple diet adjustment be the key to adding decades to your life? And then there's CRISPR, the revolutionary gene editing tool. CRISPR acts like molecular scissors, cutting out damaged sections of DNA and repairing genetic errors. In early trials, scientists used CRISPR to cure genetic diseases in animals. Now they're asking, could it also fix the genetic flaws that drive aging? If aging becomes optional, society will face unprecedented questions. What does a world where people live to 150 or beyond look like? Would retirement become obsolete? Would younger generations resent the older ones for staying in the workforce longer? Would people delay having children until their 80s or 90s? And then there's the issue of access. If anti-aging treatments become a reality, who gets them? Imagine a world where only the wealthy can afford to stop aging. Would lifespan inequality create new social divides? Alternatively, what if governments treated these therapies like vaccines, distributing them based on health needs rather than income? Could anti-aging become a universal right? These questions aren't hypothetical. They're challenges we'll face in the coming decades. You don't have to wait for futuristic treatments to extend your health span, the number of years you live free from disease. Simple changes to your lifestyle can activate the same biological pathways researchers are studying. regular exercise, a diet rich in fruits and vegetables, and intermittent fasting can help your cells repair themselves and reduce inflammation. Think of it as investing in your future self. By adopting healthy habits today, you're setting the stage to benefit from the scientific breakthroughs of tomorrow. Imagine a future where growing old is optional, where you decide not just how long you live, but how well you live. Future generations may look back at aging the way we now view diseases like smallpox, a problem humanity solved. The science of longevity isn't just about adding years to life, it's about adding life to years. More time to explore, to learn, to connect, and to leave a legacy. The question isn't whether we can overcome aging. The real question is, are we ready for the world it will create? If you could live an extra 50 years, what would you do? Travel the world? Learn a new skill? Spend more time with loved ones? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if this video inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who'd love to imagine this future with you. Together, we're not just exploring why we age, we're discovering how we can stop.